Hello, good morning to all. This is Nikhat Fatima from Government Giraj College from Nizamabad. Today we are going to deal with the story of a great short story writer, Ruskin Bond. The name of the story is The Thief, okay, which is written by Ruskin Bond, and he was born in 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. Okay, and the present story, The Thief, depicts the relationship between a thief and Anil, a kind hearted, simple man. The story portrays a simple yet meaningful message to society. It deals with relations and human values. It says that a greedy person can be robbed easily of his wealth, but it is sometimes difficult to rob an honest and careless man. This is what we see in this story. The boy in the story keeps changing his name to avoid getting identified. He had a few friends because he regarded them as a troublesome company. The summary of the chapter, The Thief Story, tells us that Anil was the only man the thief knew who kept him in his house, gave him basic education, and treated him like his own brother. Meanwhile, a summary of the thief tells us that the thief, who addresses himself as Harry Singh, plans and plots to rob the only person who cared for him. But while doing so, his conscience stabbed him. He came back to return the money without being noticed and succeeded in his motive. The thief story ends on an important note, trying to tell its reader that having good values in life is very important, as it can change a person's life. The thief story is a story of two extremely different people. One, a man of almost 25 years of age, and the other is a thief of 15 years old. The story starts in a place somewhere where a man named Anil is watching a wrestling show. The thief tries to have a conversation with Anil, as he feels that it would be easy to start a conversation with a kind man and rob him. Here, the thief introduces himself as Harry Singh, though it was not his real name, as he keeps changing his name in order to hide from the police and the people whom he robbed earlier. While Anil was leaving, the thief approached him to ask if he would keep Harry Singh in work. In reply, Anil told him that he would not be able to pay him but can let him stay with him and provide him with food. Anil took Harry to his house and asked him to cook. Harry cooked the meal awfully, and Anil asked him to leave, but he insisted on not leaving, and so Anil agreed to teach him how to cook. Anil also agreed to teach him how to add numbers and write a full sentence. Harry knew that if he could write and have a basic education, then he could do more than robbing people. So he stayed happily with Anil. He made him tea every morning and does his grocery shopping. Meanwhile, he also stole some money from the ones that were given to him for shopping. Although Anil knew that Harry stole from him, yet he did not scold him and let him take the money. Anil earned by borrowing and lending books, and whenever he earned some money, he went out and celebrated with his friends. The story of the thief tells us that one day Anil came home with a few bundles of notes and told Harry that he had sold one of his books to a publisher. Hearing this, Harry realized that this could be the best time for doing the robbery. Before that incident, he always thought how blindly Anil trusted him and that robbing him would be unjustified. But then he thought that he would be a waste on his friends and he did not earn anything while working for Anil. Anil told him that he kept the money under the mattress, and while he was asleep, Harry quietly woke up and crawled under Anil's bed and stole the money. He then decided to leave the city by Lucknow Express, but after reaching the station, he saw the train moving slowly. He could easily catch the train, but instead does not. He realizes that learning and writing would help him get more respect. He decides to go back to Anil's house and safely keep the money in its place. Next morning, he wakes up with a fear of getting caught, but instead, Anil gave him 50 rupees from the money he earned last night. Harry knew that Anil might have caught his misdeed but had no anger. But had no anger or sadness in his face. So, the thief story in English ends here, where the narrator smiles as he knew saved himself from a wrong path. Thank you.